How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, y'all already know, and I'm getting ready to air fry some chicken. And I'll be using my breader bowl that one of my honeys bought me. Two of my honeys, Larry and Toby. So I'm getting a lot of use out of this. And I'll be using some Louisiana breading, chicken fry breading, and this is in the spicy. Walter, did that last chicken I made, was it spicy to you?
It was good. It wasn't real hot or nothing.
No, it wasn't hot and spicy, but it was good. Okay, and I'm gonna get ready to wash my wings and pat them dry with a paper towel. So I'll be back. And I got my gloves on handling chicken. One of my other honeys bought me a bill. He bought me. Yes. Okay. Just got to spritz in my grill pan with what you call it? Canola oil. And I'm going to preheat this air fryer. Let's turn it on first. On. Set it for 400. 22 minutes. Preheat and start. Okay. I'm gonna put this in here before I fill with the chicken. That's what I'm using once again. Get ready to put this batter mix in the bowl. The batter bowl. It has a well down here. It'll hold this mix. So I used half a bag before, so this is the other half I'm putting in here. Because I will have some leftover chicken. So I'm just going to batter up what I'm going to eat right now. It's in the bottom. Putting this thingy back in here. I'll wait for this to preheat. I'm going to get this out of my way. Bring this over. Got mustard in here. I squirted a nice squirt of mustard. Put in some Old Bay seasoning that I made. I got to make all new seasoning, y'all. I like my seasoning better than what I buy. I've already washed and cut my chicken and towel dried it. You know what? I said I was going to put some cornstarch in my batter mix next time I did chicken. I ain't going to do it this time. I'll leave well enough alone. So, I'm putting 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many I got there? 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay. Now I'm going to smush it. So my chicken is good and dry. Got the mustard already in here. So I didn't want to touch the mustard bottle after I handled raw chicken. Got the seasoning already in here. These gloves really come in handy. what? I think I'm I'm going to use some cornstarch, see if it makes a difference. Okay, this hand's clean. I'll be back. Okay, here's the cornstarch. I'm just going to sprinkle a little on the chicken, and then I'll put in the breading. So we're going to see today if this makes a difference. So I'm smushing it again with the cornstarch on it. And my preheating thing has already beeped. So it's preheated. Okay. This is how it looks with the cornstarch on it. Cornstarch is supposed to dry the chicken out even more and make it more crispy. So this is, it got little indentations right here and hold the handle. I don't have to worry about this lid falling off. Coat it nicely. Putting the drumettes on the left side of the basket because it cooks hotter on that side. And the other pieces on the other side. Separate them for some. The pieces, that's that the drumette? Yeah. Okay. Dumping all this bread into the bottom because I'm going to put the leftover chicken on this tray. So put it on the tray, the breading is still in the bottom. Okay. This. Let me get my oil. This is olive oil. I just keep refilling this bottle. I like the way it sprays. Spraying the pieces nicely. Okay. And I'll be turning this chicken over when it's almost done cooking. I got it set for 22 minutes, I think. So around 18 minutes, I'm going to flip it so the other side can get just as crispy as the first side. I got it on 23 minutes. Okay. So I will be back, y'all. Okay, y'all, I forgot it was cooking. It's on the 6 minutes, so I'm going to turn it. Alright. I'll show y'all. Look at that. No sticking. Just stuff it a little. This just stuck a tiny bit. That didn't stick at all. Turn low. I'll turn these flats ain't sticking. Oh, this one I shouldn't have said, man. Stuck a little. Spray the other side. It's on. Yeah. So I gotta finish cooking the other 6 minutes. Then I would be ready to plate them up. I'll be back. I'm gonna end it now, but I will show you the finished product. Okay, I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. You all have a very blessed day. And I'm going to end this now, but I will show you my chicken in the plate. Bye. Okay, it's counting down from 1 minute. It's on 45 right now, so I'm stopping. Out my way. Nice. Clear. Both sides. Double flats. This on the other side looks good. I want to put this in the sink now. No. Do it later. Take a picture of it. Thumbnail. Just a minute. Okay, here's my chicken. Close up. It's crispy on both sides. That's where the skin pulled off a little. It's too hot to eat. But this is my chicken. Let me get a thumbnail. Okay, that's it. Okay, I'm going for good now. Bye. It's too hot to bite.